OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.
Hi, I'm Terry from China. So now I'm in OperaWine, and I together with Mr. Neri Jr.
Yeah.
Yeah. So which wine you are bringing for us today?
We have the Tenuta Nuova 2008.
Yes. So why call it Nova?
Nuova because we bought this land in 1993 and we decided to call Tenuta Nuova.
Okay. So actually, I read you use only yourself like mass selection of Sangiovese.
Yeah,
so why?
Massal selection because we want to have the best vineyards of the terroir, and we want to make the best wines with their characteristics.
Okay. Actually, now you are the third generation of the family to make wine.
Generation.
Yeah. So which kind of something new you bring to the winery?
I need to think about it, but I want to do something new.
Wow, great. Okay, so for Brunello Montalcino, so you are talking about a sub-region now.
Yeah.
So what's your opinion on that?
I think Brunello should be only percent of Sangiovese, 100%, and Rosso Montalcino as well. But we need to study more and to develop the Sangiovese as well.
Okay, great, thank you very much. OK， 大家知道，其实现在 Brunello Montalcino 有很多新的一个酿酒师。我们说这个 Neri 的 Junior 呢也是第3代了，他们其实也是做了非常多的工作。他们家族用的这个，我们说它的藤呢，都在自己的葡萄园里面选出最好的。因此呢，我们也非常期待第3代的 Neri 呢，可以带来这个更新的一种 Brunello Montalcino 的感觉了。谢谢大家。Thank you very much.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
So we'll come back in for a tasting later.
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.